As you already know, leadership and management are at the heart of every successful business. No matter how smart your team is, your business will never feel like a cohesive unit if management of people and departments are unclear. And yes, this also applies to small businesses whose departments might just look like a single CEO wearing multiple hats. So, no matter what stage of development your business is in, you'll need to learn how to manage the various aspects of your business while staying in your lane so that you don't burn yourself out along the way. In this video, I'm going to go over the keys to mastering leadership and management in your entrepreneurial journey. So don't go anywhere. Hi, I'm Jennifer Kem, but you can call me Jen. I'm the founder of the Master Brand Institute. Here, we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. I upload a new video every Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, then click the bell icon so you're notified when new content is available. Now, let's get into today's video. Before we delve into the specifics, let's clarify the distinction between leadership and management. While leadership and management go hand in hand, it's not just about being in charge. It's about leading with purpose and managing with empathy. Leadership is about setting the vision and inspiring your team, while management is about executing the plan and ensuring that things run smoothly. The key is finding a balance between these two roles. As entrepreneurs, you need to wear both hats effectively to lead your business towards sustainable growth. Leadership begins with a clear vision. That's why I call CEOs visionizers, because their role is all about envisioning the future and then bringing that into reality. Visioning is also required to effectively run a team, because if you or they don't know where you're headed, it will be impossible to get on the same path and run towards your destination together. Ask yourself, what's the bigger picture? What do you actually want to achieve? Your vision becomes your guiding star. Next, identify your leadership style. Are you a visionary, a mentor, or a hands-on leader? Or are you more of a natural leader, an inspirational visionary? Knowing your style helps you communicate your vision effectively. Leadership starts with self-awareness. Understand your strengths, values, and vision. And when you have a clear sense of who you are as a leader, it becomes easier to inspire and guide others. Once you cast the vision, it then needs to run through a strategic filter with questions like, who can we enlist to support us in this goal? What data do we have from the past that might be able to help us make effective decisions? What is the most efficient way for us to get this thing done? Once the strategy is clear and approved, the vision then needs to be mobilized. This means identifying and project managing all of the people and assets required to achieve the vision by the desired due date. In our signature framework, the Unicorn Team, we designated 3 different roles within every company: visionizer, strategizer, and mobilizer. For some brief context, the visionizer sets the vision, the strategizer charts the course to achieve that vision, and the mobilizer follows that path to make it all happen. You may be in a phase where you own all 3 of those roles, or you might have a team to support you. When you and your team are clear on the process and the roles involved to bring a vision to life, your ideas will be executed better, your resources will be used more efficiently, and your team will experience more harmony. To build a high-performing team, hire people who align with your vision and values. Invest in their growth by developing the systems that set all of you up for success. In the end, all the roles of the business need to flow fluidly because it's a symbiotic ecosystem that feeds each other. Build trust by giving ownership, manage with empathy, and together they will help you scale your business without burning out. Also, don't forget that leadership and management are skills that can be honed and refined over time. In fact, it's gonna take time. And this is exactly what we do and what we'd love to help you with. If you're interested, click the link in the description to get started. Together, we'll build wealth, power, and leadership. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into a unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team yourself, check out this video here. And if you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs like us who need help growing our unicorn teams. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and team support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time.